Well, it's me again this morning, Monday morning. I just got back from Sam's Club. I want to show you the haul that I got here. It's amazing. It's amazing. So let me show you what I got. I got stuff for the smoker. I got some chicken wings. I got some salmon. And I got 3 pounds of salmon for $24 marked down. I got my usual smoked salmon that I like to keep. Got 3 pounds of that. Always buy bacon every time I go. The Wright's bacon was 18 and change today. Got 4 pounds of Wright's bacon. And with the smoker in mind, I found 2 packages of marked down spare ribs. Look at the size of these things compared to my hand. $22. $22 for 10 pounds of ribs. 10 pounds of regular, not baby back, but regular ribs. And I got 2 of them. One of them I'm going to freeze. The other one we're going to smoke probably tomorrow. Less than 20 bucks for this second package. 8.8 pounds. That's some serious food. I also picked up a jar of pork rinds. Just because. And I picked up 3 dozen pasture-raised eggs. Now, this smoked salmon is fairly expensive. It's $14 a pound, but I love it, so I indulge. I got 3 of those. And even with that expensive salmon and all of this meat and bacon and all these eggs, my grand total today was $159. Sounds like a lot, but basically I haven't been going food shopping lately any more often than once every 2 weeks, and that's about what I spend. I think I'm in total spending maybe $350 a month to eat like a king. Anyway, let me put all this stuff away and we will see you in the next one. Until then, take the rest of the day off and eat meat.